How to get help or report an issue on Amazon. Running into a problem on Amazon Seller Central? Well, here's exactly how you can get help or report an issue step by step. When you're logged in, click on Help and then click on Get Help and Resources. Once you're onto the next page, first you select your store location. And then select whether you're selling on Amazon or advertising on Amazon. Now you're gonna see a list of issues that Amazon can help you with and pick one that matches your situation. So the options you're gonna see are the inventory loss in FBA warehouse, listing not buyable, submit a reimbursement claim dispute, and then we also have brand update where you reconcile or update brand name information on the detail page, FBA returns reimbursement, adding a product, title, description, and bullets update, and last but not the least, inventory damage in FBA warehouse. If you can't find your problem, click on My Issue is not listed to open a custom request. Clearly state your issue, include any reference numbers like ASINs, SKUs, or order IDs, and attach any screenshots or files that can help explain the problem. If you're having issues with multiple ASINs, click on Batch Request option to save time. You can also track all of your past and ongoing cases by clicking on Manage Support Cases. Here you'll be able to see your cases, the ID number, the status, and the subject, creation date, and when was Amazon's last reply. Getting help on Amazon is one thing, but knowing how to avoid issues in the first place is the real game changer. That's why I recommend the OA Challenge. It's the easiest way to learn everything you need to know about online arbitrage, from product sourcing to listing optimization, without the trial and error. Link is in the description below. Try it out now.